Hi everyone, welcome to Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial we will learn how to handle click events in Cypress. Clicking events is a fundamental part of automation and I will show you how you can click on the link by Cypress command. So let's begin. In previous tutorial, I have explained how you can visit the website site.visit that is used for visiting the website. You can open the website and then I explain how you can verify the logo in the index page and then verify the text by class there. So create a new test here it and then enter the test name, click by text. Now open the Chrome browser. Suppose we want to click on this link, which is admin page. Here we do not need to find any locator. We can click on this link by link text, and the link text is admin page. Right click on this and inspect. After clicking on inspect, make sure this is the unique text in this complete page. So first make sure this is unique text admin page, and here we get only one text is present here admin page. So now we can locate this element by link text style dot contains, and the text contain is admin page. Copy this admin page and enter here admin page. We just want to click on this admin page link. So here use dot click. Let's run this test. Now we have two tests. One is for visiting the website and then verify the logo. After verifying the logo, here we just verify this text which is experience the difference. Let's open the website. Here we can use sci dot visit. In upcoming tutorial I will explain before each. For now we enter the URL here sci dot visit and copy this complete URL and paste here. Let's run this test by using npx Cypress open. Now Cypress is opening. After opening the Cypress, we need to select the browser. We can perform the testing on multiple browsers. Cypress is opening. First, we need to click on the configure. Click on configure and to end testing. Now, initializing file. Click on Chrome and then click on start and to end testing in Chrome. Now, it will show you all the test file here. Click on basic. Now, test is running. First, navigate to the URL opening the website. Here we are getting the following error from your test code, not from Cypress. Because we are getting error, we need to make sure the space is there. Let's again save this file. Here we need to make changes here, comma and function. I can remove from here. Just enter here and round brackets. Save this file. Tests are running, navigate to this URL, verify the logo, visit the website, click Pair Text. It will click on the text. Here you can view, click on the admin page, and this administration page is open. And other method, we can click on this link text by using get sci.get. First, get the link. As you can view, this is the link A href. This is the link. First, we need to enter here anchor tag, and then this link contains admin page. Admin page, and we want to click on this link. So here we will use dot click. This is another way for clicking this link. Tab is test, and again run. Open Chrome browser. First navigate to this URL and then click on admin page by link text. As you can view, click on this admin page link and open this administration form. That's it for today's tutorial on handling click actions in Cypress. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SQ World for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.